Welcome to DIY Solar and Wind. I now have the dirty dozen. I have a dozen solar panels of clean energy. We're looking at 1,640 watts per hour. And because of the tree is in the way, I probably have only 2 peak sun hours here. Till I get to the homestead, maybe. So, right now, I got the refrigerator running most of the day. Hey, kitty. And that's brand new. I just started using the refrigerator instead of the computer all the time. So it's progression. I don't think I have enough batteries to. I only have one more battery to use, and that's running off the wind generator and 4 solar panels in the backyard. All the other solar panels in the backyard are grid tied, plugged into the outlet basically. But I don't want to start buying up more batteries like this until I know I have the proper batteries. So I'm probably going to be, with the bonus check, with the Christmas bonus, I will probably be purchasing the gel cells. I want people to give comments and to share, and maybe I can get. I need more subscribers in the solar so I can learn this stuff and get the proper batteries going. I would like to be able to run the refrigerator full time. That would be great. That's the biggest energy consumption user in the household. I don't use air conditioning in the summer. I have a pool to cool off in during the summer, but in the winter the furnace is going to be probably the #1 consumer. So right now we're just going with the refrigerator. I don't know how much the inverter uses. The inverter is 2,000 to 4,000 watts, but we don't know how much electricity it uses. How many watts of electricity each hour throughout the day. So I haven't left that on 24 hours a day yet. So the big deal right now is, on a cloudy day in the wintertime, I do not want the refrigerator to be off for 6 hours during the night till the sun comes back up. I don't know how that's going to work. I just want to know that I'm using enough. And then I plug the refrigerator back into the outlet when I go to bed at night. So I'm getting there slowly but surely. But before I advance, I need to know which batteries are the proper batteries to be purchasing when I get the Christmas bonus here in another week or 2 or 3. And right now I have 9. I just looked at the 12th solar panel last night, and the 9th battery in the basement this morning. So one step at a time, one day at a time. As Prepper Nurse 1 will say. And this is as good as it gets so far. So good. Have a nice sunny day.